Yes, today I will explain two more questions of this exercise 6.3. Question number 6. X plus y less than is equal to 6 and x plus y is greater than equals to 4. If in place of inequality sign you are taking equal to sign, then 2 points for this linear equation. If you are taking x equal to 0, value of y is 6, and if y is equal to 0, then value of x will be 6. Similarly, in second equation, if x is 0, then value of y is 4, and for y is equal to 0, value of x is 4. Now we will plot the graph for this. Let us suppose this is positive direction of y axis, this is positive direction of x axis, this is positive direction of y axis. Now for first equation, points will be 6, 0 and 0, 6, and when you will join these 2 points, this is the line. Here in both the cases equal to sign is given to you, that's why you will draw dark these lines. Now for second, this firstly we will shade the reason, any one reason according to this inequality sign. If you put 0, 0 in this case, you will get 0 is less than equals to 6, or you can say 6 is greater than equal to 0. So this result is true, that's why you will shade the reason which is towards the origin. So this is the shaded reason for first linear inequality. Now graph for second inequality, 4, 0 or 0, 4, these 2 points, and when you will join these 2 points, this is the line. Here also equal to sign is given to you, that's why you will dark this line. Now shaded reason, if you put 0, 0 here, then 0 is greater than equal to 4. This result is false. So you will shade the reason away from the origin. Away from the origin means this reason. And the common reason for these two linear inequality, this portion is common. So this is the solution for this system of linear inequality. So this is question number 6. Now I will explain one more question from question number 6 to 10. Remaining sums you will try yourself. Now see question number 10. I will explain question number 10. In question number 10, linear inequalities are 3x plus 4y less than is equal to 6, x plus 3y less than is equals to 30, x is greater than equal to 0 and y is greater than equal to 0. Firstly see graph for x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0. X greater than equal to 0 means y axis and this side. Y greater than equal to 0 means x axis and this side, means this portion, and for second is this portion. So graph for these two linear inequality already we have drawn. Now see first two linear inequalities. Here if you are taking, by taking equal to sign, firstly we will find out 2 points. If you are taking y is equal to 0, then value of x will be 60 by 3 means 20. And if you are taking x equal to 0, then 60 by 4 it becomes 15. Similarly for second equation, if you are taking x equals to 0, then value of y will be 30 by 3 means 10. And if you are taking y is equal to 0, then value of x will be 30. If you see here, for these two linear inequalities, value of x and y, these are 15, 20, 30, this type values are here. So instead of taking 0, 1, 2, 3, we will take 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. In the similar way here also you will take 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So now graph for first linear inequality. First point is 0 and 10, this point. Second is y is equal to 0 and x equal to 30. Y is 0 and x 30 means this point. And when you will join these 2 points, so this is the line, this line passes through this point, and here equal to sign is given to you, that's why you will dark this line. Now if you put 0, 0 here, then you will get 0 less than is equal to 60. This result is true. True means you will shade the reason towards the origin. This is the shaded region for this linear inequality. Now second, this is the table for this second linear inequality. Here if you are taking x is equal to, this is the table for this. We will plot these 2 points now. Y is equal to 0 and x 20 means this point. Second is x equal to 0 and y 15 means this point, and when you will join these 2 points, this is the line. Now here if you put, this was the table for this point and this is the table for this. If here in this case, second case, you put x and y equal to 0, 0, here also you will get again true result. So this is the shaded region. Now for all the 4 lines, x-axis, y-axis and these 2 lines, common region is, this is the common region. I am highlighting this region. This is the common region for these 4 linear inequalities. So this is the solution for system of linear inequations. So I have explained 2 questions from question number 6 to 10. Remaining 3 questions you will try yourself. So in today's work you will do from question number 6 to 10. Thank you.